Students, we are going to discuss about case study on development of mini ERP system using Python. For example, when we have problem statement, what problem statement is that there may be numerous number of inventory, data, sales, and employee data tracking system, but which leads to errors, delays, and inefficiency. So we we are going to develop a software or product system using the language called Python programming. First, what will be objective will be there? What objectives for a mini ERP system will be there?
Inventory management.
That is inventory management system.
Sales management.
Sales orders will be there. Employee records will be there. And then the basic financial tracking will be there. This will be a lightweight ERP system. So the lightweight ERP system will be developed using the term called Python programming. So it automates and it integrates all the values for the business functions such as you said, it is inventory management system, sales order system, employee records, and basic financial tracking system will be there. Next, when we go for tools, and technique, what other tools can we use is nothing but we will be using the term called SQLite. Next, we will be using the language of Python 3.x can be used. Next, we will be using library frameworks. That's nothing but we will be using Flask, SQL, Pandas, Jinja2, and Matplotlib library will be there. This Flask is used for web interfaces. Can you say what is SQL used for? To store data. To store data, SQL will be used for. The Panda is used for data manipulation system. Next, Jinja2 will be used for templates for report generation. We will be using the term called Jinja2. Next, we will be using Matplotlib. What is the purpose of Matplotlib?
To perform
mathematical functions. So it gives a plot that is in the form of visual reports. Next, we have a system module. What is the basic module will be having system model?
Add view product.
That is, we will be having inventory model. In inventory model, we have add view products. Next, stock tracking system will be there. Next, will be our reorder or ordered orders will be there. Okay. Next, we will have sales module. What is meant by sales module?
To fix the product to other customers.
So fix the products for other customers. That is to create a sales order. Next will be our update inventory automated. It used to update the inventory automated. This comes under a term called sales module. Next we have a term called HR module. What is the purpose of HR module? Human resource module. What is the purpose of human resource module?
To evaluate the users.
That is it is based upon employee database. What are not there will be in HR module based on employee database.
We are going to collect the information from the users.
That is, will be having employee details. Next, we have attendance logs will be there maintained for employee HR module. So we have in HR module will be considered a term called employee details, and will be having attendance logs will be performed now. Next, we have finance module. Finance module. What is mean finance module?
To gather the information and
that is, based upon the data that sales revenue reports will be there. There will be expense logging will be there. Basically, what comes inputs and what goes output will be performed in a term called financial module. In the finance module, you have a term called sales revenue report. Next, you will have called expense logging will be there. Next, we have interface. Interface, that is, as we discussed, we said LB use the Flask module to build simple web UI interfaces. That is admin. What only for example LB UI design. What is the basic thing that an admin can do?
Admin should be able to track and evaluate
update the data something, but admin can log and manage all the modules. That is done by modules. Next, reports and downloadable format. That is next what admin will do is they will be downloading the report in all the format in PDF and CSV format will be there. Next, the output result will be when we compare numerous number of options. This base of this will output result must be faster and should be 35% and minimum 35% faster will be there. And the error should be reduced by 60% will be there. And improve visibility to stock and revenue will be there. More it is scalability with Python basic model will be there. So when we compromise this, we are going to have a case study on development of mini ERP system using Python. In this, we see about the term called objectives. In objectives, we have inventory management system, sales order, employee records, and basic financial tracking will be there. Out of which, we will be having system module. System module, we will be having inventory module. We will be having the term called a base sales module. We will be term called HR module. We will be getting a financial module basis. They will be having interfaces. whatever we see in the sales module, system module is that we'll be seeing about add new products will be seen. Next we'll be going for a last thing, that's nothing but we have output and results. And our output should be 35% faster, and it should be about 60% of the it should be 60% to be reduced by inventory errors. So by this we'll have we'll be developing mini project or mini ERP system for mini ERP system for ERP system using Python programming. Thank you.